Hello everyone, welcome to BaseTutor, your base for learning. In this video, we will learn the concept of environment, an important topic of childhood and growing up subject. Meaning of environment. Here, the meaning of environment is explained in different points. Definition of environment. Here, different definitions of environment are given below. Importance of environment. Now we will see the importance of environment in the following point. Types of environment. Various scholars have categorized the environment in different types. Have a look. We will learn each type one by one. The other types of environment are explained here. Impact of environment in the development of a child. Various impacts of environment are explained here. Conclusion. The final conclusion for the answer is given here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share. Subscribe to BaseTutor, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and keep learning.